finally just came in the mail yesterday. As you can see right here, this comes from Temu. This is another unboxing. Y'all can tell by the title. So we're gonna get in here and see what we got in this bag. Let's see what we got in here. Again, from Temu. T-E-M-U. You can download it on your phone. All the way down in there. All right, here it is. That's just a warning sticker. Keep away from children. Plastic, this is not a toy. So let's get in and see what we got. As y'all can see, I ordered some more copy money, prop money. As y'all can see, got a rubber band around it. I believe this may be $10,000. I have to check. As y'all can see, for motion pictures purposes only. This is the back. Y'all can see that. 100 copy money and prop we trust is what it say. So we're gonna open this up and look into more details. All right, guys, as you can see, I took it out of the packaging. This is the $100 bills. Pull it up to y'all. This is how it look. Spot on, Benjamin Franklin. Spot on. Show you the back. And property trust, motion picture purposes. Copy money, as you can see. I believe this is 10,000. D6 is the number. Let's take the rubber band off. Tell this prop feel just like paper. All hundreds, blue face. All hundreds, all Benjis. Show you the back. Fully printed front and back. I know some companies sell just the front printed and the back will be, you know, printed, but it'll be plain in the middle if you get a stack. I make sure mine is fully front and back. Yeah, so far, if y'all liking this video, subscribe to my channel. Leave a like. Comment down below. But I believe it's 10,000. I don't know. $70. Count it all through there. Again, this comes from Temu. They do have apps we can download and get all kinds of stuff. But yeah, this is the prop money. Let me show y'all again the Benji. Y'all like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow, so I gotta stay more consistent though. This just came in the mail yesterday, as y'all can see. Copy money. Pull it up again for y'all. Copy and property trust, $100. Benjamin Franklin. Get a close up again. See that very in detail. This note is for motion picture purposes. It's not legal tender. 2009 is the series when this was made. I have another set of 2009 just like these, but I ordered from a different place. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and Prop Money TV is out for now. Thank you all for viewing. Peace.